How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Tech Spotlight. Today I'm going to be doing a hands-on review, and today I'm going to be reviewing my Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Now, first and foremost, I really like Samsung products because of their build quality. They're typically the aluminum casing, which feels really good. It feels sturdy. Um, I like smaller tablets. That's just a personal preference of mine. And that's because I don't do a lot of gaming on my tablets. They're typically for, I do a lot of reading. I might stream some Spotify on there. I might stream some Netflix on there if I'm in the kitchen or editing or whatever. So I don't really care to have a big tablet because I don't like it to be too heavy, right? So the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is a fairly light tablet. It is very comfortable to hold with one hand. Right now it's out of my case, but even if I had it in the case, it's still comfortable to hold. Um, there is one feature this does not have that I wish it did, and that is I wish it had access to a cover that would give it smart wake. I just like that option. I've had it on my Kindle Fire HD8. I just like I flip open the cover and the screen, unlocks or whatever, and the tablet's ready to go. Not a big deal, but I just have to open it up, push the button. Pretty responsive. Screen brightness is pretty good. I know it's kind of hard to see on these videos here, but screen, unlock, very responsive. I was watching some Netflix a little bit ago, but to show you guys how quick this can open up apps. If I open up the Kindle app, just takes it a few seconds. I've got to load up my books. I've got quite a few books on there, but then it goes to the last spot in the book I was reading. This being not a Amazon product, it does not have the page flip animation. Again, not a super huge deal. It just will slide from page to page. If you are reading, let's see how quick it can open up YouTube. Again, quick to load, and just a few seconds. It's responsive. If you need a gaming tablet, this is not the tablet. If you just want something that's a good all-around average use tablet, this is definitely it. From the build quality, this is not something I would recommend for kids. The Kindle Fire tablets have that harder glass, like the Gorilla Glass. These, not something I would drop. It does feel sturdy. It doesn't feel like it would break or shatter, but it's also not something that I would want to test. So I'm guessing you guys may want to check out sound quality. Let me find something that would be good here for a sound quality test, and something that we will keep. It's hard to test that because everything's copyrighted. I'll just pull up a motivational speech, okay?
Zillow helped me land this Airbnb listing.
After these messages.
I don't care how good you are in anything, you don't have discipline, you ain't nobody. Because you give up on the slightest struggle without discipline. Discipline is doing what you hate to do, but do it like you love it. You may not know this now, but you're this close, igniting your inner champion and reclaiming your destiny. It's just that I want to be up more than...
So that's just a little sample of the audio quality, guys. Again, all around, this is a very, very nice tablet for the money. It's typically somewhere in the $150 range. But when I do see it on sale on Amazon, I do see it on sale pretty frequently for about $100. So this is, like I said, is just something if you are checking emails, this would be something good for that. If you're just scrolling social media, watching YouTube videos, streaming Netflix, Hulu, things like that, good quality tablet for that because it's all streaming options, right? what very, very little gaming I have done on this, I don't currently have any games installed because it wasn't excellent. Um, I played a bit of Hearthstone, and I would have input lag. If you've played Hearthstone, it's like a card game. So when I would select the card I'm going to play and drag it up, it would do the animation and then it would lag, take a few seconds. If I did that with a couple cards, it would take a few seconds to get caught back up. So gaming quality, not great. Now, there are two different versions of this tablet available, okay? There's a 3 GB tablet that is the 32 GB storage. If you get the 64 GB storage, you will get one with 4 GB of RAM, okay? That's the only difference between the tablets. Other than that, they're both expandable memory. They both have a slot for the SD cards that goes right in the side here. If you can see, try to get it to focus, but you can see the slot right there. And then other side has your power button and your volume button, and then does have a rear-facing camera. Again, the quality on the camera and stuff, not excellent on these budget tablets, but overall build quality, very, very solid. Again, responsive for the screen wake, the unlock, the videos, everything loads pretty good. So because I'm pretty sure I picked this up on sale for probably 120 bucks. For the money I've spent on this tablet, I've had it now for, I want to say, going on 2 years. I use this tablet quite a bit. Like I said, I read on it quite a bit. I stream on it quite a bit. For what it is, very, very solid tablet. So if you're looking for something just for the basic use, I would highly, highly recommend the Samsung Galaxy A7 Lite. It is a great budget-friendly tablet. If you have kids that are a little bit older and a little bit more responsible and you want to get them something a little bit better that's still entry-level and budget-friendly, this would be a great fit still, okay? Samsung makes a pretty good product. I'm very happy with mine. I would even go on to say over the $150 price tag, I could easily buy this at about $170, $180, up to $200. I don't know, just for what it is, unless it had more RAM or more features. This is a USB-C charger as well. USB-C. You do have a headphone port and then speakers on this side. In the settings, it does have an option for a Bose speaker setting that you can turn on. I've tested that quite a bit. I have never really noticed any serious changes with that feature on compared to off if I'm listening to Spotify or streaming on Netflix or whatever. So, again, something I would highly recommend picking up, guys, if you're just looking for something that's budget friendly. I'm sure almost any time this is going to be on sale on Amazon. So check in the video description. I'm going to have a link down there to the Samsung Galaxy A7 Lite tablet. That is an affiliate link with Amazon. So if you do make a qualifying purchase, it does help support the channel. So, guys, this is one of my first hands-on tech reviews. So let me know what you think. If there's anything that I missed or any questions you might have about the Samsung Galaxy A7 tablet, let me know in the comment section. If you have one or if you're picking one up, let me know in the comment section that you're getting one. And I'd love to hear what you think about that in the coming weeks. So, guys, this is Tech Spotlight. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have an absolutely amazing day.